Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive maintenance with a focus on finding the best catalytic converter cleaner. Whether you're looking to improve performance, reduce emissions, or extend the life of your vehicle, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more helpful tips and recommendations. Number 1. Dural Lube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment Cleaner Fuel Additive, a game changer in engine maintenance. This 16 fluid ounces powerhouse is a must-have for any vehicle owner looking to optimize performance and extend engine life. With its advanced formula, this additive effectively cleans catalytic converters and exhaust systems, tackling even the toughest deposits and contaminants. Say goodbye to sluggish acceleration and pesky emissions issues, as Dural Lube works its magic to restore efficiency and reduce harmful pollutants. Easy to use and highly effective, this product is a true lifesaver for your engine. Experience smoother rides and cleaner emissions with Dural Lube, the ultimate solution for engine maintenance and performance enhancement. Number 2. Autoprofi Oxicat, the ultimate solution for preventive maintenance of your vehicle's vital components. This innovative cleaner targets oxygen sensors, catalytic converters, and turbochargers, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. With its advanced formula, Oxicat effectively removes carbon deposits and contaminants, restoring efficiency and reducing emissions. Say goodbye to sluggish acceleration and poor fuel economy, as Oxicat revitalizes your engine, delivering smoother operation and enhanced power. Easy to use and cost-effective, this product is a must-have for any vehicle owner looking to maintain peak performance and prolong the lifespan of critical engine parts. Keep your ride running like new with Autoprofi Oxicat. Number 3. Leaky Moys 8931 Catalytic System Cleaner, the powerhouse solution for your vehicle's catalytic system maintenance. This game changer works wonders, efficiently eliminating carbon deposits and residues that clog up your catalytic converter, restoring its performance and efficiency like never before. With just one application, you'll notice a significant improvement in your engine's responsiveness and fuel economy, making every drive smoother and more enjoyable. Plus, its easy-to-use formula saves you time and hassle, ensuring a hassle-free application process. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and hello to a revitalized engine with Leaky Moys 8931 Catalytic System Cleaner, your vehicle's ultimate companion for peak performance and longevity. Number 4. Motorco's Catalytic and Exhaust Cleaner Treatment Fuel Additive, a game changer for your vehicle's performance. This 16 fluid ounces powerhouse is a must-have for anyone looking to optimize their engine's efficiency and reduce harmful emissions. With Motorco, you can say goodbye to sluggish acceleration and hello to smoother rides. Its advanced formula not only cleanses your catalytic converter and exhaust system but also improves fuel combustion for enhanced mileage. Installation is a breeze. Simply pour it into your fuel tank and let Motorco work its magic. Experience the difference with Motorco today and unleash the full potential of your ride. Number 5. Motorpower's Catalytic Converter Cleaner, your ultimate solution for passing emissions tests with flying colors. This powerful formula not only cleans your catalytic converter but also revitalizes your oxygen sensor and purifies your combustion chamber for optimal engine performance. Say goodbye to pesky emissions-related issues and hello to smoother rides and cleaner exhausts. Plus, it doubles as a fuel additive, ensuring every drop counts towards a cleaner, more efficient engine. With Motorpower, you're not just investing in a product, you're investing in the longevity and efficiency of your vehicle. Say yes to passing emissions tests effortlessly and experiencing a smoother, cleaner drive every time with Motorpower's Catalytic Converter Cleaner. In conclusion, finding the best catalytic converter cleaner is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance and reducing emissions. With a cleaner converter, you can enjoy better fuel efficiency and lower pollution levels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like and share this video for more helpful automotive content.